In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate image in LibreOffice Writer. If you're working on a document and an image is facing the wrong direction, or you simply want to adjust its angle for a better layout, LibreOffice Writer gives you a couple of easy ways to rotate it. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open your LibreOffice Writer file. Make sure the document containing the image is already on screen so you can work directly with it. Once the file is open, find the image you want to rotate and click on it to select it. This is important because rotation options only appear when the image is actively selected. After selecting the image, check whether the rotation handles are visible. If you don't see them right away, don't worry, you can enable them manually. To do that, right-click on the image, hover over rotate or flip, and then choose rotate. This switches the image into rotation mode and makes the controls easier to access. Now look around the edges of the image. You should see circular rotation handles positioned along the four edges. These handles are what you'll use to rotate the image freely. Click and drag one of those rotation handles to turn the image. As you drag, you can adjust the angle visually until it looks exactly the way you want in your document. This free rotation method is helpful when you want a custom angle instead of a perfectly straight 90-degree turn. If you're aiming for a more precise adjustment, just move slowly while dragging so you can stop at the right position. There's also another simple way to rotate the image if you prefer preset options. Instead of dragging a handle, right-click the image again, hover over rotate or flip, and choose one of the built-in rotation commands. You can rotate the image 90 degrees to the right, 90 degrees to the left, or 180 degrees. This is a quick option when you want a clean, exact rotation without doing it manually. Both methods are useful, and the best one depends on whether you want a custom angle or a standard preset turn. If you're designing a document with photos, diagrams, or decorative graphics, knowing both options can save time and help your page look more polished. And that's it. That's how to rotate an image in LibreOffice Writer. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.